Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create event for your Facebook page. It's pretty simple. You want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen after you log in into your Facebook page account. Then over here at the top you can see the events option, click on it. Once you're inside event at the top you can see the plus button, click on the plus and it's going to take you to event creating page. Over here you can upload whichever photo you want by clicking on upload and choosing the photo you want. Then over here where it says event name, you can even name the event. I'm going to name it good event. This is just an example event. And where it says start date, you can click on it and you can choose in which day you want this event to start. So I'm going to choose the date and I'm going to choose the time as well. After I choose the date and time, over here is it in personal or virtual, I'm going to choose virtual because it's going to be a virtual event and it's going to be a Facebook live event. So I will choose Facebook live, click on done at the bottom, and then at the details I'm going to write the details of this event. So the detail is it's for entertainment. So this is basically the detail. Now I can click on create event and an event of this name and this time will be created on my Facebook page. So that's how you guys can create event for a Facebook page. It's that simple. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.